Want to schedule WhatsApp messages automatically? Here's how to schedule WhatsApp messages in 2026, step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. WhatsApp does not have a built-in message scheduler, so the method depends on whether you're using iPhone or Android. On iPhone, open the Shortcuts app. This is already installed by default. Tap Automation, then create Personal Automation. Choose Time of Day. Pick the exact date and time you want the message to send, then tap Next. Tap Add Action. Search for Send Message. Type your message and select the WhatsApp contact or group. Tap Next. Disable Ask before running and confirm. This allows automatic sending. At the scheduled time, the WhatsApp message will send automatically. On Android, open the Play Store and install a WhatsApp scheduling app like Skedit. We open the app, log in, and allow required permissions like accessibility and battery optimization. Choose WhatsApp, select the contact or group, write your message, and set the date and time. The app will automatically send the WhatsApp message at the scheduled time. Third-party apps are not official. Only install trusted apps and review permissions carefully. You cannot schedule messages directly inside WhatsApp without shortcuts or external apps. Great for reminders, birthday messages, and work notifications. And that's it. That's how to schedule WhatsApp messages in 2026 on iPhone and Android. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.